Hi guys, in this video, let me teach you how can you set up your Robux in Please Donate game. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So to be able to get these ones, all you need to do guys is to go on over and join the server right here, the Please Donate server. And in here, all you have to do is pick a boot here, anything, any boot. Just make sure it is not used. So once you're done with this, uh, you just have to go over and press and hold E. You should get this boot right here, and you can then add Robux here. So as you can see here, you can add it here. So you need to set up and add the donations button to your SAN. So to create this one, you should have a donation button. You have to create a game pass using this link. Paste this to your browser, and you just follow all the steps for this to work, guys. So this is very easy, guys. So you just have to follow all the process, guys, and you can successfully earn Robux here by letting players donate to you. So okay guys, that is basically it for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.